name is Omorodion. I'm the founder of the Environmental Lagos platform. It's a platform that allows residents of Lagos to post their complaints about the environment, about the drainage, about roads, about canals, about any kind of infrastructure, about school buildings, about hospitals, about the security apparatus, also about transportation in Lagos. State officials on the platform, including the governor, including the Honorable Minister of Works and Housing, will attend to your complaints promptly. We've been having success stories. For example, if you go to Lagosians Road, for example, it was recently repaired, where flood has been destroying a part of the road, and the government now scraped away the tarred road and put in interlocking bricks. And as we speak, the drainage is being cleared. That's one. Also, we can lay claim to the Apapa-Oshodi Expressway. Like I said, the Honorable Minister of Works and Housing is on the platform. We complained to him sometimes ago, that was last year, that something needed to be done about the expressway. And of course, he went into discussion with Mr. Dangote of Dangote Industries to come and do a concrete job on the road. We can also lay claim to the success of a bridge between Ishashi and Iba in Ojo, Iba local government. The bridge was about to collapse. People did not realize, because that part of Lagos is quite quiet. But when we put it on the platform, we sent it to an official in the Federal Ministry of Works, and we're happy to announce that the bridge has, going to be repaired. There are so many other success stories. Apart from infrastructure, we also have issues. We know Lagosians always have run-ins with last month officials, task force officials. We've had issues where Lagosians had encounters with some last month officials and task force officials. That happened about last week, and it was put on the platform. We escalated it to the chairman of the task force and to the last month GM. We are happy to announce that on the two incidences that were referred to us, one involving 40,000 was returned back to the owner of the money, was returned back, and then the 80,000 one also was also returned back to the owner of the money. And we also have issues where people have brought in complaints that the roof of this school is not being fixed. We were escalated to the Honorable Commissioner for Education, and then such work is ongoing. We're waiting for when schools will open. To reach this platform, it's a WhatsApp platform. All you have to do is to go to WhatsApp and reach us by 070 374 66114. Thank you.